Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can deposit money in your Neteller and then sell it through a merchant platform, that's Paybis. Sell it on Binance through a merchant platform and make your cool profits. But before we proceed, I would like to share with you this wonderful idea. As you can see above, this is Net's program on Neteller, both Neteller and Circle. So when you join the Net's program, you'll be able to earn rewards by performing some tasks like withdrawal tasks, deposits, trading crypto and sending crypto, paying online, and a lot. So this is an opportunity for you. If you are doing any of these, make sure you join into the Net program so that you'll be able to participate and earn reward by just withdrawing, depositing, trading crypto and sending crypto. So this is a wonderful advantage for you, and the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 points, which is equivalent to $5. So you'll have to accumulate a minimum of 5,000 points for you to be able to redeem your points. As you can see, I have 1,258 points available, and I need 3,742 more in order to be able to redeem my points and get it credited to my wallet. That's 5 USD. As you can see, the value is from 5 USD and the price is from 5,000 points, meaning that each 1,000 points will give you $1. Okay, let's proceed. As you can see, I have some $150 in my account, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to deposit some small amounts again, so that you know and understand how you can make deposit on Neteller and sell it on Binance, or sell it using Paybis, or on your Binance using P2P. Alright, and you all know that we mostly sell the USD to get USDT. So, and we are buying at 450 and selling at a high rate of 565, depending on the black market rate at that particular time. Alright, so you want to deposit, click on deposits here. Alright, I'm clicking on deposits. So I'm going with the first Visa card, and make sure that your card is Visa. If it is not Visa, you will not be able to sell your money. You will not be able to sell your USDT for your USD for USDT. So make sure you're using a Mastercard. You're using a Visa card, not Mastercard. And if you're using a Mastercard, there is also a way that you can send money, but it's not a direct deposit. So if you're interested, I will drop my link. If you're interested in this, if you find interest in my video, I will drop my Telegram channel that you can join and ask any kind of question you want. And if you're interested to learn more, the in-depth part of the arbitrage trading, you can contact me. I will drop my Telegram link. I will drop my Telegram username that you can click and get in touch with me. That's if you want to learn more about it. But my channel or my group is basically a discussion group where experts on arbitrage trading share ideas and answer a lot of questions. Alright, so I'll add, like, let's say $20, and then my CVV. Okay, so do you want to use this money available for payments on gambling sites? So most of the Neteller funds, you don't select yes, you select no. You don't want to use this money for payment on gambling sites. Alright, so I will use my CVV. and then click on continue. As you can see, I'm adding $20 into my account, or let me write 19 because I think I have exhausted my limits. I have almost exhausted my card limits. All right. Alright guys, as you can see, I've successfully deposited 19 USD into my wallet. Alright, so it does not reflected. I will have to refresh. Alright, as you can see, I have 169.9 USD. Now I'm going to show you how you can sell this USD for USDT using a merchant site called Paybis. Alright, now I will go directly to Paybis website and make payment to the Paybis using online payments on Neteller, and then I will plug my USDT address, that's USDT TRC20, that's Tron network. The USDT that is under a Tron network, we use USDT that is on Tron network because of the low in network fee. But if you are using an Ethereum or BEF20, you find that there is an increase in network fee. So we go for the one that will give us maximum profit. So that's why we are using USDT TRC20. So now I'm going to Binance and Paybis. So guys, as you can see, I'm now on Binance, and what I will do here, I'm going to copy my wallet address for USDT TRC20 and then use it to deposit on the Binance using paybis.com websites. Alright, so let me show you, for the sake of the newbies, I'm going to show you how you can copy your wallet address here and then make your deposits. Alright, so you see deposit here at the top left hand side of your screen. There is a deposit menu. Click on it, deposit. Alright, so I'm going to deposit a cryptocurrency USDT, which is USDT. I'm not depositing fiat, I'm depositing crypto. So I'll select the type of network I would want to deposit. Like I said, you always select TRC20, Tron network USDT. That's USDT that is under Tron blockchain. Alright, I'll click on it, and then I have already copied it to my clipboard now. So I'm done with this step. Now I'm going to Paybis and make payments and authorize the payment on my Neteller. Alright guys, as you can see, we are now on Paybis, and that's you can see here showing NGN and this is showing BTC. So you have to change the NGN, that's you are depositing with. This shows that you are going to deposit with credit or debit card, but you are not currently interested on depositing with credit or debit card. So we are going to click on it and choose Neteller. So we choose Neteller, and the payment fiat currency is USD. Alright, USD. You select USD. Alright, we are done with this, and this is where you select USDT TRC20. Make sure that what you copied on Binance is USDT TRC20 wallet address. So this is where you select USDT TRC20, not ERC20, TRC20. That's the one that is on the Tron blockchain. All right, so as you know, I have, I think, is it 169? Yes, 169 USD on my on my Neteller accounts. All right, but you see here it's showing buy Bitcoin. That means it has not yet reflected. The TRC20 has not yet reflected, so you're not going to click on it if it's showing buy Bitcoin. You refresh the page. Now I'm refreshing the page. So once it finishes loading, you're going to see TRC20 instead of BTC. So you see theta means TRC USDT. all right, so I'm going to re-enter the same amount of which is 169 USD. So like, as you have seen, I'll get 155.77 USDT. You understand? So let's say I'm buying for $100, I'll get 92.17. So I'm buying for 169 USDT, which will give me 169 USD, which will give me 155.7 USDT. Let me add 0.5 because I have around 169.9. So now I'm going to receive 156.24 USDT, and they are going to charge me 169.5 USD on my Neteller account. So let me just quickly go on to click on buy theta. Now it will redirect you to your Neteller account. To redirect you to Neteller website, where you will have to put your login details in order to authorize the transaction. So, and once the transaction is successful, your USDT will be deposited instantly on your Binance account. So as you all know, I have already copied my USDT address, USDT TRC20 address. All right, so I'm going to click on continue. All right, redirecting to Neteller website at the moment. Just wait a while, wait a little. All right, it's redirecting me. Member.neteller.com, where I will put my plug in my login details and then authorize the transaction. And then once your transaction was authorized successfully, my USDT will be deposited in my Binance account. All right, let's wait. Right, okay guys, before I even checked out my Binance account, as you can see, I got a notification. As you can see, you have successfully deposited 156.25 USD, so I don't need to check. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you find interest in this tutorial, please kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon so that whenever I release a new video, will be the first one to be notified. And don't forget to go to my description box below. You'll find my Telegram channel where you can join and take advantage of arbitrage trading, cryptocurrency, and lots more. I'll be dropping 2 links. One of them is my company link that you can join to get a live update on cryptocurrency spot signals that will give you cool profits within a short while. While the other channel group that the other link that I'm going to drop is going to be my own personal link. My own personal link for Arbitrage, specifically Arbitrage. Like I said, the first link will be for our company updates on cryptocurrency. Like every update that comes around, we actually use a fundamental and technical analysis to analyze the market condition and take the advantage of the market. The market is going bullish because we are given a spot signals. Therefore, when the market is going down, you understand that you can only make profit maybe in a future trading, and which is very very risky. I recommend that if you want to join future trading, you should really take a very gross research, and that's always invest what you can afford to lose. So we're giving a spot signal on the first link that I'm going to drop right here, and then we're also giving we also created a Neteller Telegram group where you members from various Nigerian states can participate. Not even Nigeria, worldwide can participate, share ideas, answer a lot of questions, you understand, on arbitrage trading. As you can see, this is a good advantage for a crypto trader. It's a very very good advantage for a crypto trader. You don't have to wait for the market to give you money. You don't have to wait for the market to give you money, because if you're considering investing on any cryptocurrency, you find out that you have to wait for the market to give you money. But in arbitrage trading, you don't need to do that. All you need is to take the advantage of the price difference, not the price change. You understand? So that's all about arbitrage trading: buying at high rate and selling at a low rate and selling at a higher rate. Okay, thank you guys. All right. So please, if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification icon, so that whenever I release a new video, you'll be the first ones to be notified. Thank you. See you in my next video.